I first noticed my hair loss somewhere in college.
It really affects your confidence level.
These little jabs of, self-doubt.
What are some at-home remedies? I'm pretty skeptical of those things, like what really works.
Here at the Paragon Hair Clinic, we are performing hair restoration procedures using the world's only robotic system for hair restoration. We were the first in Texas and the fifth in the world to have the ARTAS robotic hair restoration system. We've harvested over 1 million grafts so far.
I think my procedure was on a Friday and I went back to work on Monday. It was totally fine.
There really is no scar where they pulled the hair from.
I had incredible results. It has done nothing but boost my confidence back about myself.
Even when I'm getting my hair cut by a new stylist, they can't believe that I actually had a procedure done.
Stop putting the drops in your hair and taking a pill every day, and just go see Dr. Bishara and get the ARTAS robot. He'll take care of you.
If you're suffering from hair loss, email us today and let's get you in for a consult.